What's going on, everyone? Good morning. We have quite a bit to talk about today. Filings. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17 filings to talk about. First one up is SRBX 2021-048. This is out of the Box Exchange, LLC. Notice of filing and immediate effectiveness of proposed rule change to delay, yet again, the implementation request for Prism. Now, brief rundown. The amendment expanded the capabilities of the FIX protocol to allow a BX participant or the sender to utilize FIX to send message to other BX participants, responders, with an order the sender represents as agent or Prism order on behalf of a public customer, broker-dealer, or other entity requesting the responders provide a contraside initiating order and begin a Prism auction, collectively a request for Prism. If a BX participant desires to respond to the request, the BX participant adds an initiating order to the sender's Prism order and submits the paired order directly into Prism through FIX for processing in accordance with options 3. Now, they were originally going to do this on November 1st. They have delayed this until June 30th, 2022. They're going to issue an options trader alert to participants with the date of implementation. So that's the first one up. And I do have a video on Prism. I'll probably make another one on that later just to give a refresher. But will be delayed until June of 2022.